When I welcome back on Something Nice Show, we dey discuss sexual harassment, things when it be say you go do if it dey happen to you, waiting you go do if it dey happen to you. Bunmi Oni dey for inside studio. Some people say they go resign. And me, I know one girl we don't resign tire. She don't resign like from four places.
Which kind of clothes they wear? Suppose they wear.
See, this girl what they tell you.
Danshiki.
See, leave. Not the water danshiki. No matter what thing this girl wear.
Must reveal herself.
He must reveal. There has to be a revelation. Whether you're in the spirit or not. This one, you know, say most revelation, you have to be in the spirit. The flesh will not reveal it to you, but this one, my brother, your flesh will reveal it to you. Continue.
So you say some people they cuss them.
No, be say some people they cuss them. Now make some girls they even hate their body. Some guys go, you go see that they go hate themselves. Say, is it a cause for me to be a fine girl? This thing, is it a cause? Go down. This calababush, go down. But it can't go down. You are naturally has it. You can't do it. Listen anything. Say, go. Continue.
Okay. Next step, you say you feel inform your supervisor. You know, say you go get direct supervisor. That's if the person knows stop. Because you don't talk to them. Okay. But you don't get time, you don't date time, you don't record everything. Yes. So you go appeal to them. You not to appeal to person conscience. Because this harassment, the person self fit no they control.
Ah yes, can go do fasting now. Take it to the Lord in prayer.
If it no, you know, say in some churches, you know, say they know they dance.
Huh? Yes.
It's true.
And it gets some church with it twerk. My brother. I know what call church's name.
Did they twerk?
On Sundays, they twerk from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the evening.
Then which kind of church they go like that? I never.
You know the church.
Even they get some kind drum, where they beat. Hey, what shall we do?
Hey, today.
The brother always sits behind those kind.
My dear brother,
say then get this.
But you know what some sisters they do for church, My brother, you get one.
I don't hear well. I don't hear something.
On Sunday,
like you're in the club.
I go Pastor Yang in church on Sunday now. No be I just sit there for inside church. Not being, I see 3 girls.
Only 3
You
girls.
by yourself go to church?
No, I carry me my family go church. I don't carry Kela. If you see the girl within this girl, we are easy beat.
You're dead.
Hey!
And it's down for front.
Signs of end time.
Yeah.
Very short. You know that if na skirt, it dey okay. It's on a short gown. You don't have a friend where get dead head like Jericho. She wear jean jacket. Come wear short, only one wear trouser. That one can consider for me do. The usher now the usher will come then again. The usher they look them. You know how women they do now. Oh, how much you? Signs of end time. Waiting girls. Some girls then they even cause that thing. Some girls if you see what they wear for office self, you go they wonder.
Yes.
If they go club,
there's supposed to give them a kind of dress code.
Dress code they do.
See,
exactly. Dress code they do. Some people just get some kind. I don't understand. You know those kind. For my language they call ewure. They will say no, their own is yes. They will say yes, their own is no. You go don't tell them. Especially for this hour, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
For this hour.
And you know, like I said, like Monica now.
For this hour. We dey see am now. It's just if not that because we are covered with the blood.
Amen.
If not because we are covered with the blood.
Amen.
What would have happened? What would have happened? If the foundation is faulty, what would the righteous do? But this foundation, the righteous is strong. And wax is strong.
Tell him, Pastor.
Pastor, use your pastor.
You know, Pastor.
Then the next step we say you go contact your HR manager. After you don't contact your supervisor.
This is number 3 now.
This is number 3 now. You go contact your HR manager. Because HR manager go fit advise you.
But if the oga, senior the supervisor, senior the HR manager, if now be the owner of the company,
beautiful. That is why you see say step D. You go first go to the person. Style. Not be say you go confront the person, say, hey, don't touch me like that again.
Mama,
they warn you.
Mama, tell me,
not touch me as you touch me yesterday again.
Mama, welcome me. Mama, say bon. Mama, welcome me.
Look, next time, I don't want to be the same.
That what you say, I talk about you.
Let's say they evoke you.
Okay? Emma, welcome me. Say bon.
Give us that camera here.
Continue. Emma, welcome me. They about to try here.
Eh?
They about to try here.
Your work don't finish for
My
that company.
You see your lighter. Your lighter.
That guy when don't sit down. No, when the guy don't do it, sit down.
CCTV is every day there.
Now the man go come carry and go court. Say she's threatening my life.
Yes. So not be so. In fact, work don't finish for that company. Be that.
Just carry your bag, the gas.
So you have to contact the human resources manager because human resources can inform you on the action you need to take concerning the sexual harassment incidents. Then the human resources manager should possess expert knowledge concerning sexual harassment, discrimination, and should be willing and be able to give you impartial advice.
So you sabi sexual harassment things?
You see, if you come my office now, come tell me say somebody they harass you. The first thing I go do is I go look waiting you with.
But people they harass me. The people harass me sexually.
Why haven't you reported? Why you never reported?
No,
you for don't report.
No.
See if it.
No, you see, I covered with the blood.
So you don't need to report.
I don't need to report.
You can handle it.
I can handle it.
Now you say they fall under that kind of temptation.
Continue.
You see, because if you come, see some people now them they harass somebody.
If you come, son, it's so wrong. Continue.
Let me say if you waka enter.
You know, continue. That will make sense.
If you waka enter. They do that's harassment too.
I don't know.
Anyway, I beg more, but small chicken break, just small. When we come back, we'll continue it till on top of the night show. Now welcome back to Biko. The tall one. What did they wear? Continue. The tall one.
If that kind of person come, say they harass him, you go first look at very well because now they harass somebody. You know, some people are quick. They will quickly come and say, somebody harass. So
meanwhile,
you go first look what's in the way because you go try to determine how this person will wear all this kind of thing, wear tight, you know, like the Monica, you tight very well. When they say somebody they harass them, now they go harass somebody. Like if that kind of person come, no, come stay for your things. Nedu. You know.
See, see, I'm covered with the blood. Nothing like that. You know, I know how to handle it.
Even get something. See.
My sister, even Nicki Minaj stand here now. I know how to handle that. You see, people they talk say, what's the best way to handle temptation? The best way to handle temptation is fall for it. He's not going to disturb you again. Continue.
So the HR manager go fit give you impartial advice. Where we say if now you they harass the person, he go fit tell you. Look, you tell you say, see, we get code of conduct, we get code of ethics as it applies to for dressing. If it be you, self, where they go harass, he go advise you say you fit tone down all this kind of thing where be say you they wear, you know. Some people go wear dress, put button for here. Come put one kind, I don't understand. Come put am for here. Where be say as they talk to you. Now dependent you they look
the one where I see one
where
day.
that balance in
the middle of the girls.
One where I see one day.
I like Kathy's expression. The twin towers.
Wait. Then carry he dress. This guy Wazobia that do like cause of Jack own.
Yeah.
Where you see him?
For this office. He come office. Me, I know they had my mouth on him. I tell him, say my sister, you are wicked. Why are you suffocating? He wears sign of the cross.
Yeah.
Come they suffocate.
With the towers.
The
twin towers.
The twin towers come suffocate. You don't create the cross to breathe.
I say my sister. why you go open your full, if you see, sometimes I know they understand that thing for women. You go dress, most people see half of your body.
No, some people don't talk, say, here, not be Bobby. Now when the nipple show, now him be say,
that one I don't understand. When they write I'm saying like that.
Now them think say like that.
All this one they go say maybe now yours the color of your body.
Yes, it's your skin.
You're not seeing anything.
Yes.
And then they get some kind of shade where they design to refill the twin tower.
Why men not they show our six pack?
No. It get cut him. You know, they get some kind trouser where men they wear. It go tight. Thank you.
Because they don't go reach ground. You don't go reach ground.
Thank you very much.
They don't shake over your head. You did it. They shake.
Then they abuse men. You dey keep quiet. If they follow them, it will jump.
The material
go. Thank you. You see what I'm saying?
Even before the material reach their ankle. Now yeah, you go stop like that.
Thank you.
Jumpsuit. That's called jumpsuit.
You see what I'm saying?
Jumpsuit.
See, you go tight, tight.
Con the whole, you know, everything.
Yeah.
Machine gun,
so as they are coming,
waiting ladies they even do be say, waiting they're supposed to wear go club, they go wear and go church.
They go wear and go church.
Waiting they're supposed to wear go church, they go wear for inside house.
You understand?
So they mix the whole thing up.
Men know they mix them.
Men
don't mix anything.
You go have
see men they wear go church.
you don't see where they go put their trouser for.
No, that one small boys now. That one street small boys now.
Even they get some people, the thing go tight very well. As they want carry something for them, you go come they see the kidney.
Yes, person don't tell me for this company say you know feed Ben say make I help and pick something say trust is tight.
You see.
Say if bend down
if na rating I know say rating by trouser the tight where I know call it name but na rating aka rating. Continue. Continue.
No, not na GQ.
That GQ. No, that guy they dress. That guy they wear red suit.
Brown shoe, brown and white line.
With matching cap,
Even if na Guru Maraji.
My brother.
You could say wear turquoise blue.
You use as what they go back in Nigerian film. They will just put him in slow motion as in the waka. You could just see. You know, continue.
When you don't tell your HR manager, he will advise you. Where we say you dey impartial. If now you the harass person, he go tell you. If now the person they harass you, they go advise you as it relates to the workplace. Yes. They go tell now wait till we don't talk. Say you go date time, you go time you go get. If you know fit get visual, you fit get audio. And you go don't tell them say you don't go meet the harasser. You don't tell them.
Somebody give us one gist.
Okay.
Albert, they follow you go house. Abi?
Albert.
So, you know the gist I want to talk, Abi?
They try to...
Hey! My sister, what does Albert do when he's in your car? No! It's a question. Is he the abuser or the abusee? Or person the abuser or being the abusee somebody? What do you understand what I'm saying? I don't know if you know.
They try you.
Yeah, they do.
Continue. I will give you the gist. My sister. I will give you the gist. Continue. You see how she laugh. So it doesn't laugh like
you know, if that's the way where Abba they take hug person, you don't see that one.
They hug you like that. Hi, hey! You see, breeze have blown now.
Which kind of breeze blow? Which kind of breeze blow?
You see, sometimes pastors will not tell you anything. They will just keep quiet and speak in tongue internally. And then you start, you see, I don't talk. Then she begin confess. Ojawa! He said that's how he used to hold me. Show me how he used to hold you.
I don't say hold. I say greet.
No! What do you talk? You know say that's how Albert used to hold somebody.
Now greeting. You know, you got some kind of greeting. You say,
you know, you get some kind. See my hand go. Continue.
You get some kind of greeting. Can you go greet you? You go not say this one don't pass greeting.
Okay, make I ask you now.
Oh yeah.
How many times he don't greet you like that?
Maybe like two, 3 times. So.
If I greet you one, you're like, Albert, no problem.
No,
second one.
No, now you don't go greet him like that now. I just ask him, say, I greet this kind of greeting. You can't tell him say get crush on me.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what do you call him?
You know, say been get so many people get crush on me for this company.
Ha!
When me say if I know.
Yes,
now.
In motion.
So those kind of things.
So what do you come tell about?
I can't tell am say which kind crush I beg. You know, you go just shrug those
No,
kind of things.
now like this kind. This I beg where you do. I beg. Now welcome next time.
No be-
Why you not tell her?
so.
Why not? Because that is sexual harassment. Why you not tell her? Stop it. Don't try in your life. Why you not tell her?
He never
I don't know if
that
Like we call from London. When say no like that, you steer and slap.
It's
okay,
the guy
but when they say look waist.
So now me say come again next time.
Now you should do. Stop it or don't do it again. I don't like it.
They do.
Okay, how you take do am? Do I do am massive? Do am. How you take do am now?
Even Suleiman they there, where did they hug me?
Wait then do. Okay. Many are choosing. Continue because.
Okay. Then when you don't tell your HR manager, they go advise you. You know, if you can't say you don't report to your supervisor, you don't report to your HR manager, they don't take action. You feel contact your senior management.
Okay.
How you go contact your senior management? Be say you feel write letter. You write letter. You feel no one reveal yourself initially. You know, see
Anonymous.
Yes. So they go no say that kind of thing they exist for that company. So not be say as all of us dey those kind of things know their hair. So it depends on their approach to it.
Okay.
You go come know as you go take handle them. Whether you go leave them for that stage or you go apply external resources.
External
Resources. They say if company does not take any action on your complaint or doesn't penalize the miscreants, you can approach forces, the
police,
like
military,
you know women. You know women
force,
have groups. NGOs.
No, you know they work. Go army.
Cut him.
Army.
Now war.
No.
Now what?
You don't know.
What
To
is this?
prevent future occurrence. To prevent welcome again next time.
If not me, okay, you can't go do the give the get the army go beat you finish. The next day you will resign from your house.
From house. Find your way.
Continue.
You know you get some human rights network, like group for office and those kind ones will help you just handle them. That's if your internal doesn't do anything. Usually the way the internal they handle them, they say then go call you.
But
then
they
harass.
they sack the person now. They go
The
say
harasser or
you
the harassee?
they dirty the name of the company.
And I be say go the image of the company. You have to protect it. That's why you go first of all apply internal.
Okay.
So internal, then get image now. They no go want spoil the image of their company.
Image,
so they go want know what happen. So you go see how the relevance of that your dating, your timing, your recording, how you day, you know, because you go fit present all those ones as records of the history of how the thing just they happen. And how you don't talk to the person, say you know like and that kind of thing, it go affect work. It go affect work now. Because if I get Oga wey be say they harass me sexually, I don't tell them, you know one here. So they
So you they give you money, nko?
that is welcoming now. If he give you collect them.
You welcome am?
No, I just talk
Okay,
say, it's welcoming now.
No, I think say she welcomed.
No.
We'll continue.
Now be say you welcome and that you know no be harassment again then.
One last one before we go, cause not get time again.
Okay. You feel file lawsuit or create plan B.
Which one be plan B?
Plan B be say they say leaving your job should be your last resort. But before you take this step, it's best to start looking for another job.
How many?
Living without an option may result in a feeling of powerlessness. Now be say the person go feel say they don't cheat her.
They don't. Yes.
That say they cheat me. They no agree.
Or if it's too bad, if you not see go start business. Sell foodstuffs. Like if it's a pepper.
Who tell you say they no go harass am for that place too?
No.
Also, no be
Who go
everybody.
harass am?
They feel harass am. You never saw this woman where they sell pineapple, sell those things for road. Those Okada.
Where they sell
He say my guinea, you know.
My color.
You don't get that.
All and all.
You get what I want to talk about, but just keep quiet.
No.
So that one a harassment too now.
And not be everybody they fit sell things.
Yeah.
Some people no be.
Some people not sabi that business
at all.
Entrepreneur.
That thing. No be everybody get am.
Get am.
No be everybody fit.
So now how many points remain now?
Now only like 2 just remain sha.
Okay. So
after that,
finish and 1 minute now we'll get.
You feel file a lawsuit. Now me say if you don't
try
escalate,
after
you don't try
everything,
everything,
don't go court.
Exactly. But before you go court, you go don't get all those things. We say
you don't ready to come out for the office.
Yeah,
don't get another work.
You don't get plan B already. But so that you know go feel.
But if you don't get another work, now we can't less. Now you have to go
no, because if you get to another, if you go another place, that kind of thing will happen.
I'll put another person again.
So you don't go feel say you dey powerless.
And that kind of man, you just castrate him. My lord, this man machine gun can't respect himself.
It goes like a tactile movement.
Anyway, double toilet to all of you now when if you say don't watch the night show for today. Sorry to say we'll not take phone calls or even tweet messages.
We get to finish today.
Double toilet to Bunmi Oni. Bunmi, if first one follow you for Twitter, what's your Twitter handle?
That's my Twitter handle. I don't know.
No, she go tell you next week.
She got tell her next week, her Twitter handle next week. Anyway, double toilet to our DJ of the gods, living and the dead, DJ Easy Beat, idiot. I never thought finish. It don't cut a shower eye. Come on, use one.
That's harassment.
That's public.
I don't tell you, say,
you are harassing public.
Yes, he's winking.
You are harassing the whole world. Sexual harassment.
Yes, as he's winking.
Take me to lawsuit.
Be careful what you wish
Anyway, double toilet to Kesolo, Kemos,
all the case.
Michael, what do you mean? Akwike, aka Kemus, and then to Minimarge. Double toilet all of nothing.
We're supposed to greet Monica.
Monica, la sabia la Peace.